Yeah.
Solidarity forever. KMPDU, we stand in total solidarity with the doctors who work in Isiolo County, and we have instructed them not to go back to work until these issues that we have mentioned are all addressed and resolved in totality. And for that reason, I'm going to ask the residents of Isiolo County to know that madaktari hawako kwa hospitali. Kama uko na mgonjwa hospitali, go pick your patient, mpeleke hospitali as seek services kwa county zingine neighboring. County government of Isiolo is that they have a perpetual delay in payment of salaries. Doctors go up to 3 months without salaries. This is not right, and it is against labor laws. We have currently doctors have not been paid for the months of April and May. The salary that was last paid was done was March salary was paid 1 week ago. This is just wrong, and doctors are tired of begging for money, and yet they are working.
So I appeal to our county to hasten doctors' promotion and meet our minimum demands so that probably we can go back to work. But without that, I don't think our doctors are going to go back.